Currently following a black Land Cruiser in a 60 zone. Current speed is 100 going down to 90.
Hey, thanks, just a CA with injury, intersection of Bermuda Street, Reading Street Road. Are you able to have a look at
Current
that
speed
one,
is
please?
76.
2984.
Passing vehicles, doing the speed limit.
Maintaining a distance of about 30 metres at the moment. Going. And just going to follow for a bit. And he's braking heavily now. Braking heavily. Stopping in the middle of the road. And what's he doing?
Go on, get out of the car.
Hey bloke. Good. What are you doing?
Please don't ever tailgate me like that. We'll go over there next time, but I don't
Mate,
know
I'm
why
the
you're pulling
police.
me over like that.
I haven't even put you over. You stopped in the middle of the road.
You literally tailgated me. I've got that on
Yeah.
GoPro.
Yep. And
I
I've
actually
recorded you
thought I was
speeding.
stressing
Okay.
out.
Yep. Give me your license now.
No worries.
What's the reason for your speed?
How the dare you say that? No worries, but that's all good, but that's all cool. Yeah. There's no speeding, my mate.
There was. I've got you on camera.
That's fine. I appreciate where you're going from. I'm not being aggressive.
Oh, you are. You're definitely getting aggressive. You stopped on the road. I haven't even put my lights on yet. And you're getting out of your car
why
like you're going
is
to...
someone tailgating me
This is police,
so
that's what we're
aggressively?
doing.
Well then,
your
put your
catching
lights
up.
on.
Get your license out.
Get your license out.
Get in your car and move your car off the road.
Let me just say this.
Get
Mate,
in your...
Let me just say this something.
Get your license, bloke.
no.
Yes,
Hey,
I
you,
did. We've asked
joking
I'm
you.
directing you to
Sorry,
get your
but
license
I actually
out.
sit there.
Get your license out.
So let me just go. Oh, police health.
Get
police.
your
you-
license
Okay,
out.
Where have I
Back at
come from?
29.
In police South Australia. So that's all good.
Golf Echo 209.
Here.
Yeah, can we have a unit with the altimeter to
This
Ferry
is
Road?
beautiful.
Outside.
Oh, we got one.
And
Oh, we
I
got one?
Got it. Whatever you want.
Disregard.
Please do not snatch ever.
Hey, get off the
Do
road,
not
okay? No, you get off the road.
You touch me again.
You're under arrest for obstructing police, okay? Whoop, get off the road. Oh, do you want to go on the
Charlie,
road?
hey, Charlie, please. I've got 3 guys here.
Thanks, Lee. Righto. Taser it, Tom.
Stop obstructing us. Get your hands behind your back. Now!
Literally, I'll get all of you. Alright. You're an absolute stop obstructing. Obstructing with what?
If I was obstructing, I'd break your neck.
Taser. This is a taser. Roll over your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Hands out. Hands out. Hands out on your stomach. Get on. Face down on the ground. Face down on the ground. Out. Put your arms up to the side.
Get your hands behind your back.
Get another unit
I'll
here.
taser you again.
Put your hands
You
out.
want to be tasered again.
Put your hands out now.
Get on your stomach.
Stop being a
Higher, come.
You can. Get on your
Righto.
stomach.
Put the taser on.
How am I supposed to do it?
Put your hands behind your back. You're an absolute Put your hands. Put your other hand behind your back.
You have.
Put your other hand behind your back now. Let go. Let go of the handcuff.
You want to be tasered again?
Let
go of
go.
the handcuffs.
Good one. You're under arrest for obstructing assault police.
Well,
And
what?
Alright, you got him?
Yep, we're going to get you up and we're going to move you off the road, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
I understand. I understood what you're saying from the beginning.
Well, no, you
I don't
didn't.
understand.
You didn't.
No.
We're going to get you up.
Clearly you didn't understand what
Shut
I
up,
was saying
listen.
back.
We're in the middle of the road. I don't want to get run over because of you.
Because of me? Or because of you?
Yep.
And we're in the middle of the road.
So I'm going to get you up. Just stop them there. Derek, just stop them. Stop all cars.
We're at Palm Beach Station, so we're away off, but we can
I'm going to get you up and I'm going to move you off to the side of the road. Do you understand? If you play up again, you will get tasered. Make no fucking jokes about that. I'm going to get you up now. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can't do it.
What was the location?
Yep. Sit down there. Sit.
Sit down, we're going to do